Most quote-unquote kid-friendly 3D modeling software either treats children like toddlers or dumps professional engineering tools in their lap and hopes for the best. Neither actually works. Here's what does. For kids 6 to 10, start with 3D Slash or Maker's Empire. They use block-based modeling that clicks immediately, like Creative Mode Minecraft, and they export real STL files you can actually print. When your kid hits 11 to 13, switch to Tinkercad. It's free, browser-based, works on Chromebooks, and teaches genuine CAD concepts without the overwhelming interface of professional software. By 14 to 16, they're ready for Fusion 360 or Onshape, the same parametric modeling tools used in actual engineering firms, both free for students. The key isn't finding one tool that grows with them forever. A 7-year-old's brain develops spatial reasoning differently than a 15-year-old, and the software needs to match where they actually are, not where we hope they'll be. Start simple, graduate deliberately, and you'll build real skills instead of frustration. Check the full guide at NozzleDown.com, link in the description.